Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome on this laptop. So first of all, open your Edge browser or any other browser that you have on your PC, then open the search engine and search for Google Chrome. Then on the official Google website, it says Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. You're gonna find the large download Chrome icon. Just click on it once and the setup file will download to your computer. Open it, click yes. At this point you can close the browser, then just wait until the browser with the Google Chrome is downloaded and installed on your laptop. Now once the browser is installed, you can sign into your Google Chrome if you click sign in and proceed with the sign in process, or you can just don't sign in by clicking this icon right here. You can set it as a default browser if you click right here, otherwise you can click skip. Then you can turn on the Edge privacy feature if you click turn it on, or you can just disable it by clicking no thanks, then select got it, and now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.